Trelawney woman perishes in house fire. Lifeguard charged for allegedly killing brother during argument over bills. Woman found murder in her house in Linstead, St. Catherine. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A woman perished in a fire of unknown origin, which razed her house in Trelawney Saturday night. The deceased has been identified as 49-year-old Marcia Brady of Bounty Hall in the parish. She was said to be suffering from a mental illness. Reports are that residents saw fire coming from the concrete and board structure, which was occupied by Brady, and called the fire brigade. Brady's charred remains were discovered in the concrete-walled bathroom after the fire brigade extinguished the blaze. The Trelawney police are investigating. 24-year-old lifeguard Delando Bailey of Catherine Mount St. James has been charged for the murder of his brother, 30-year-old O'Shane Bailey, at their home on Tuesday. The Mount Salem police stated that about 12:45 p.m., both brothers were at home when an argument developed over bills, which escalated into a physical altercation. It is alleged that Delando choked his brother until he became unresponsive. O'Shane was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Delando reported the incident to the police, which led to his arrest. He was charged after a question and answer session. A woman was murdered in her house in Linstead, St. Catherine last night, allegedly by criminal elements. More details to come following further investigations.